In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shadow to an object in PowerPoint. This is a simple yet effective technique to give your presentations a more professional and polished look, and it only takes a minute to master. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. Begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. You'll want to locate the presentation you wish to enhance with this shadow effect. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to your desired presentation file. You should have your slides all set. If you don't, this is the time to open or create your presentation. Now identify the specific slide containing the shape or object to which you want to add a shadow. Click on the slide in the thumbnail view or use the navigation tools to move directly to it. Once you've got your target slide up, click on the shape or object that you want to work with. This selection will be the focus of our shadow adding adventure. With your object selected, it's time to head over to the Shape Format tab on the toolbar. Notice this tab that appears right at the top, showing a variety of formatting options for shapes. Click on it to reveal all the tools and effects at your disposal. Among the options available, find the Shape Effects button. It's conveniently located in the Shape Format tab, and clicking it will present you with an array of effects that you can use to customize your object. From here, scroll through the list until you find Shadow. Once you've clicked on Shadow, a drop-down menu appears displaying several different shadow styles and options. These variations range from subtle to more pronounced effects, allowing you to choose whichever suits your presentation best. Take a moment to hover over each shadow option. PowerPoint provides a live preview feature, conveniently showing you how each shadow will look on your shape. This can help you make an informed decision on which style complements your presentation's theme and design. After you've made your decision, click on the shadow style you want to apply. And just like that, your object is now highlighted with a shadow, bringing an entirely new dimension to your slide. It's an easy way to add depth and emphasis to important points in your presentation. And there you have it, you've now learned how to add a shadow effect to an object in PowerPoint, a simple yet powerful way to elevate your presentation visuals. Feel free to experiment with different styles and see how they enhance the overall appeal of your work. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other PowerPoint tips and tricks for more ways to make your presentation shine. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.